Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission in the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. In today's video guys, we'll be working here on a BMW 3 Series generation 2005-2013 and we will show you how to find, check out, remove and replace fuses for the traction control system and the ABS module. Traction control ABS module, it's one thing guys. So you will have all together, in our case we have 4 fuses for that thing. Now BMW uses 3 different fuse boxes throughout the whole generation, so you have to make sure that you have the same one like we do, the same year, the same model, because otherwise it might differ a little bit. So always double check with your manual before you do that. Now let me show you what you need to do guys. We have more than 200 videos on these cars, so please hit that subscribe button for more videos and we'll keep uploading them. We need to open the glove box compartment here. Okay, and you can see we have that cover. Okay, that cover we need to remove here. It has 2 things that we need to turn up 90 degrees like that. One on this side. Okay, pull it out. Now, this is where the magic happens. This is where the fuses are located guys. So let me show you now which fuses we need to check out. This is your fuse puller right here. So I'll just go ahead, pull it out so we can remove fuses. Now, the 4 fuses that we're talking about, first one is fuse number 20. Okay, fuse number 20 guys, okay, is this block right here, fuses. Okay, it's on the very bottom row here, the last fuse. So that fuse guys, okay, that 5 amp fuse that we have here, again, amperage and location you need to double check for your manual. We're going to pull it out. Okay, let me just replace it with a new one. Okay, the fuses and parts that we use will be listed in the description of the video below. You have to make sure that it's in all the way and then push it in. Okay, like everything's lining up. The second fuse that could be is fuse number 22. 22, okay, this is 20, so then we go 1, 2, this is 22. The second from left to right in that middle thing. Okay, you can see ours is a 10 amp fuse. Next, we go to fuse number 35 guys. 35 is the one for the traction control as well. Now, 35, okay, let me show you here quick now. If we go to this side here, okay, we're going to have 31, 2, 3, 4, and 35 will be that middle fuse, okay, right here below our yellow fuse. It's green in our case, and it's, I believe, a 30 amp fuse. So let me just go ahead and show you how to pull this one with the other side of the clip for the medium fuses. Okay, we go ahead and pull it out. Okay, ours is good. So I'll go ahead and install it. Now the 4th fuse is very important fuse as well. Okay, and the 4th fuse is number 65. 65 is a huge fuse. It's the one on the bottom right there. So okay, let me come up with the light a little bit. 65 is the very first big fuse on the bottom row. Okay, that 40 amp fuse in our case. Okay, that's huge. Okay, this one right here. This is it. So those 4 fuses guys are for the traction control and ABS pumps. Hopefully guys the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.